You guys, I'm literally fucking creasing everywhere. Like, I just noticed. What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh my, oh. Hey guys, it's Serena. I feel like my intro is low-key kind of basic. I mean, like, I've been doing it since like middle school days, but like, damn. If I should get a new intro, let me know. Let me know. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a followers pick my makeup or followers choose my makeup look. I basically posted on Instagram in like the poll section a whole bunch of makeup items, and you guys chose which one you guys wanted me to use for the video. So obviously my brows are already done. I only use ABH Dip Brow. I don't use anything else for my brows. I don't really have any other brow products that I use on the daily, so I didn't ask you guys to pick my brows. But I did ask you guys for everything else. Before you guys get to watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post. And also follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. They will always be in the down bar below and always at the end card of this video, so be sure to follow me. And don't mind my bright ass neon fucking shirt, okay? I don't ask. And yeah guys, let's just get started and see what you guys make me look like today. Okay, so first getting started, my brows are obviously already done. Now you guys picked the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and let's just see how many votes this one got. It was between the Urban Decay Primer Potion and the Lorac Primer for your eyes, and 87% voted for the Primer Potion, and that was about 76 people voted for the Urban Decay and only 11 people voted for the Lorac, so Urban Decay definitely won. So what I do is I take my primer right after I do my brows and prime my lids. Then I carve them out with concealer. So I'm just gonna prime my lids and then carve them out with some Shape Tape. I didn't really ask you guys which concealer to use to carve my brows because I only use Shape Tape to carve my brows. So I'm just going to prime my lids, carve out my brows, and obviously set them with a little powder, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of my eyes and face. Okay guys, so I just concealed my brows and then set it with a little bit of powder, but right now I'm going to be dipping into my eyeshadow because I do my shadow before anything else usually. So the eyeshadow palette that was up for like choice, I guess, was the Morphe 35B palette and the ABH Subculture palette. The Morphe 35B got 70%, which it won, and the ABH Subculture only got 30% in votes. The Morphe 35B got 61 votes, and the Subculture got 26. And I know the the Morphe 35B isn't even sold anymore, I don't think. I think they're remastering it and making a new one, but yeah, so I'm sorry you guys can't get that one right now, but it's pretty popular palette, so I'm pretty sure you guys have it already probably. But yeah, so I'm going to be using the 35B today. And honestly you guys, after this video I'm going to work, so I don't want to do nothing too crazy, so I'm probably just gonna do like, it's gonna obviously be colorful but not like too fucking crazy, you feel me? You feel me? I also got my nails done. Look, they're like super pretty purple and like I love them. I love them. So I have my 35B palette right here. My phone's going off, but I'm probably just gonna do like a pink look. I kind of want to do a pink look today. So I'm probably gonna stick in like this region right here. But I'll tell you guys what I'm using and stuff. It's not necessarily a tutorial. It's just kind of like a followers pick my makeup video, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing anyway, I guess. So first color I'm gonna go into, I'm probably just gonna start off strong, you know, like why not? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna go right here into this peachy kind of pink shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right here, just swirling into it with a Milani blending brush. And then I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Should probably zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now that I have that pink shade all blended in there, I'm going to be dipping into this neon pink shade right here. It's super duper bright, and just taking that on a Morphe M330 brush and then putting that in my crease as well. And then for the last color, I'm just going to be taking this one right here. It's like this kind of deep purpley pink color, and then putting that on the outer corner as well because I'm going to do a cut crease today. So y'all know the drill. So make sure you just blend the outer edges so it doesn't look too harsh with that original blending brush that we used from Milani or whatever you guys use. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna cut the crease with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer halfway. You guys know the drill, I always do this, so I'm just gonna do that and then I'll be right back with you guys to set my lids. Okay, so I just I just carved out my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm just gonna take a flat brush and set them with this pink shade right here. It's kind of like a shimmery pink shade, so I'm just gonna wet my brush a little bit with some Fix Plus and then set my lids. So then I'm just going to take those same colors that we used earlier, so like the dark and the neon pink right here, and mix them and just put them on my outer corners just so it blends in with that harsh line right there. Ooh, guys, I'm really loving how this is turning out. Like, it's super, super pink. You guys know pink's my favorite color. I love it. I love it. So next step, you guys said you wanted me to add some winged eyeliner, and I didn't really put options for that. I just put winged liner or not. And it's just the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner. That's what I always use to wing out my eyes. But 74% said yes and 26% said no. So obviously I have to do the winged liner. And that was 69 people voted for yes, 24 voted for no. So we're gonna add some winged liner right now. All right, guys, so my winged eyeliner is finished. I think it turned out pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking good. Okay, so next was the mascara, obviously. And I'm thinking about saving my mascara and my lashes until the end, because I don't like to get do my mascara and then get like powder on them and then it just like stays white over the mascara. I don't like that. So I will be doing obviously lashes and mascara, but I will do that after I do my face. Okay, so moving on to the face. Obviously for primer, you guys voted either the Benefit Professional, the gel version, or the NYX Honey Do Me Up. And the NYX Honey Do Me Up one, it was 56%, and the Benefit Professional Gel was 44%, and that was about, let's see, the Benefit Gel was voted by 37 people, and the NYX Honey Do Me Up was voted by 48 people. So I haven't used this primer in a dummy long ass time, so I'm just gonna try to find it and put it on my face. Got him! Okay, and then for foundation, it was either the Tarte Amazonian Clay, which got 21%, and then the NARS Luminous Foundation, which got 79%. And in votes, that was 18 people voted for Tarte Amazonian Clay, and 68 people voted for the NARS Luminous. So we're going with the NARS today, sisters. Blending in with my Sigma F80 Kabuki, and you guys know you can use the code Serena Nicole on all your Sigma purchases, so go figure. Okay, and then for concealer, it was the Makeup Revolution Concealer that got 41%, or the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer that got 59%. So that's the one I'll be using today. And that got 35 votes for Makeup Revolution and 50 votes for the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. So I'm going to be using this one, and again, I got this one in the winter too. I haven't used it in so long, and it is a very light shade, as you guys can see. So I am going to be mixing it a little bit with a darker concealer. Sorry guys, I have to do this because some of these products I haven't used in such a long time and they're way too light for me right now. So unless you guys want me to go to work looking crazy as hell, then let me mix my shit. Okay. Okay, and then for setting powder, it was between the MAC Patrick Star Powder collab that got 74% and the RCMA No Color Powder that got only 26%. And in votes, that was about 64 for the MAC and Patrick Starr, and 23 people only voted for the RCMA. So I'm just going to be setting my whole face with the MAC and Patrick Starr powder. But I don't know if you guys can tell, something is going on with my under eyes right here. It's like a little bit patchy. I don't know if it's from the concealer, the foundation, or what, but it's like a patch right there. That's hella weird. I don't know. So now for bronzer, you guys already know the drill. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil won by 69%, and the other one was the NARS Laguna bronzer, which only had 31%. And in votes, that was 60 people voted for Too Faced and 27 for NARS. So at least y'all got my back on the bronzer. Shit. Alright guys, so now for blush, it was between Becca's Songbird and Tarte's Party Blush. So Becca got 51% of the votes and Tarte Party got 49%. So it was super duper close, and it was 42 for the Becca Songbird and 41 for the Party Blush. You guys were like literally this close. I'm going to be using the Becca one today. Maybe I'll use this in a next tutorial since you guys want to see it that bad. But yeah, so I'm just going to be taking Songbird and applying it to my cheekbones. You guys, I'm literally fucking creasing everywhere. Like, I just noticed. What the fuck is that? You guys know I never crease. What the fuck is that? Oh my. Okay, so while this bakes, I'm going to be going back onto my eyes where we left off. So where we left off was mascara. So the two that were in the drawing were the Benefit Bad Gal, which was 43%, and the Colossal Big Shot, which was 57%. And in votes, that would be, in votes, 38 people voted for the Benefit Bad Gal and 50 for the Colossal Big Shot. But yeah, I'm just going to be taking the Colossal Big Shot with the collaboration with Makeup Shayla, and then just coating my upper lashes first. And then just so we can get it over with, the lashes that you guys chose, it was between the Dodo Lashes in the style D105, which got 24%, and then the Basil Lashes in the style Glossy, which got 76%. And in votes, that was 28 people voted for the Dodo Lashes and 62 people voted for the Basil Lashes. And I'm so glad, because Basil Lashes are my favorite. They're these ones right here in Glossy. Once they sent them to me in PR, I was obsessed. I literally bought like 3 more of them. I love them so much. But I'm just going to be putting on some mascara and then putting on my lashes, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes and I finished my lower lash line. I just put the same colors that are in my crease on my lower lash line, and I just put the Milk NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in my waterline just to add some like definition there so my eyes don't look too small or anything. So that's basically what I did to my eyes. Now for my inner corner and my highlight, I didn't make you guys vote on my glitter or anything, but I think I'm gonna take this like really pretty pinky purple shade in my inner corner, and then top it off with my Blushes Pink glitter by Super Glitters or Bulk Glitters, and making sure I use my NYX glitter primer. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that really quick just so my eyes pop, and then probably put like a little bit of a lighter highlight from the palette for my brow bone. Oh my gosh, you guys, I look like a freaking fairy. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. Oh my gosh, I love this look. I haven't done something like this in so freaking long, but I'm really happy that I chose pink because I love pink. We love her. But yeah, so this is how my eyes turned out. I just put like a lighter color. I just put like this one and this one, mix it together and put it on my brow bone, because I don't want to put a shimmer there because that'll be kind of too much for me, but I really like how these eyes turned out. Okay, and then for the highlight, it was between the Becca Rose Gold highlighter that got 59%, or the Wet n Wild, I think it's Golden Flower Crown highlighter that got 41%, and in votes, that was 51 voted for the Rose Gold by Becca and 35 voted for the Wet n Wild. So today we're going to be using the Becca Rose Gold highlighter. Next on to lips, and for lips it was between color or nude. So for color 48% voted, and for nude 52% voted. 42 people voted for color and 46 for nude, so that was very, very close. I'm glad it wasn't color because your girl will be looking too much. And also I told you guys either matte or gloss. 52% voted for matte and 48% voted for gloss, and in votes that was 47 for matte and 44 for gloss. So yeah, that was really close tie, but I'm glad it's nude. I kind of wanted to do a gloss, but we're gonna do a nude lip that's matte. So I'm just going to rub off this foundation and put on some chapstick, and then I will choose a lip and be back with you guys to apply it. Okay, so I'm taking NYX lip liner in the shade brown. I'm going to be lining my lips with this. Then to fill in my lips, I'm taking Kylie's liquid lipsticks in the shade Brown Sugar and Dulce K, mixing them together to make like a pinky nude, and then just applying that in the center of my lips. And then to top it off in the very center, I'm taking Anastasia's liquid lip in the shade Pure Hollywood and putting that right in the middle for kind of like an ombre effect. Alright y'all, so for the setting spray, it was between the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which got 54% of the votes, and the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray that got 46% of the votes. And obviously the Urban Decay one won. And for votes numbers, that was 49 people voted for the Urban Decay and 41 for the Too Faced. So it was super duper close, but we're gonna go with our Urban Decay today. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get ready for the outro, put on a new shirt since I look like a fucking highlighter, and I'll be right back to end the video. Alright guys, this is the finished makeup look of my Instagram followers picking my makeup, and I have to say, most of the products you guys picked out for me were really good. A lot of them were products I haven't used in ages, but for the most part, y'all did a good job. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it for y'all. Before you guys leave, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click those bell notifications buttons to be notified every time I post. And also, y'all know the drill. Follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Spotify, all that shit will be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. Also guys, I know a lot of you obviously watch my videos, but comment. Like, I want to see you. If you're watching this video, comment down below right now. Anything you want, literally anything, ask me questions, whatever. Like, I just want to see you guys comment. Like, I love the people who comment. So if you comment, I love you. I love you. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye guys. Oh shit. I think I'm ready to jump out the window and turn that nigga that you with right back into your friend. No. Yeah, I beat the eye, so I don't take that talking lightly. Fuck around and make your girl my wifey. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Oh, that's fucking right, okay. Mama hit my phone and said rap's no good. Better than telling me the check's no good. Bitch, you better have my money when I come for the shit like ODB. Hold up, hold my phone. Oh shit, I didn't even know I was still recording.
You keep doing me how you want. You just might end up all alone. But be careful and watch your tongue. I know it's bitches in your phone.